we can type in the shortcut 3701. Are you sick and tired of paying high prices for crazy subscription fees? Are you looking for new movies, new TV shows on apps that aren't available in the Amazon App Store? I'm Lee, here with some tips and some tricks for your Amazon Fire TV stick, and I'll show you how I put them on my Fire TV stick. First thing we need to do is download an application called Downloader. So head to the search icon, or the find icon, scroll down once on your remote, hit the center button in search, and type in Downloader. D-O-W-N, and Downloader should come up. Downloader is an app that we use to download other apps that aren't available in the Amazon App Store. So click on the orange icon. Here it says I already own it. You probably don't, so get it, download it, and install it. Click on it. And please, guys, share this with a friend. Once you figured out what's going on at the end of the video, send it away, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, because I'm sure that they would like to learn how to do this also. So we just open up the application. We just open up Downloader. Here it needs authorization to access files, photos, and media on our device. So click Allow. A web address, so like https://www.ledbytheunknown.com, or I have a shortcut for you. So scroll up, hit OK, and we can type in this shortcut 3701 button. And this will automatically direct us to the Led by the Unknown website, the download section, where we can find apps for movies, apps for TV shows, apps for new content, all on your stick, all for free. So when we get to this page, use the 3-line button on our remote. And here we have Add Current Page to Favorites. Now, if for some reason we get kicked out of Downloader or you want to come back, and then anytime you want to come back, you just go to the Favorites section, click it, and boom, it automatically goes down. You don't have to remember the shortcut number. So here on this page, we got some tutorials. Check them out. They explain much. So let's head down. We're looking for new movies, TV shows, right? Head her down. So movies and TV shows, the best apps for 2025. First one, content, old and new content in it. It sends you to the downloads page. You can slide down till we have here the cinema button, download button, and click on it. Downloads the application onto the device. Now here, there is a setting we need to change in Downloader, which the Fire Stick will do for us. So it says Downloader for security. Your TV is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. So we can change this with Downloader or through the Fire Stick. Click on Settings. And here, Install Unknown Apps, click on it. Downloader is currently off, and we can turn it on. This now enables Downloader to install applications that are not available on the App Store and that are from unknown sources, like this web page. So we can back out one, back out twice, and a reopen Downloader to continue the installation. So now we can hit Install. Now once it's installed, just click Done, down on the bottom right. As once it's done, we can delete the installation file as we no longer need it, and confirm the delete, and it's gone. Now, as you can tell, because we went into the settings, it actually booted us up to the main screen for Downloader. Now, I use the favorites, click, and I can just click on it, downloads. It's 370178. 370178. That's 370. Click go. Now here we have the 5-second redirect again. If you had favorited it, you wouldn't have had to worry about that, would you? All right, we're on the page here. Let's head down to our movie. So we have cinema. Now we can do on. Click on it. We no longer have to worry about the settings option. We no longer have to worry about changing the option in the settings. So down at the bottom right, just click install. Installs the application for us. And then click done. We can delete the installation file. We don't need it wasting space on our device. Confirm the delete. Now guys, if you can click on stream. And here we have the blue bubble to download stream. The latest option, or the latest version. Again, down at the bottom right, click install. Once it's installed, click done. Delete the installation file, confirm delete. And we back out one, back to the, does do sports, so does stream. We can head down further. And here we have the Amazon device or Android device, if you so inclined. Bottom right, click install. Hit done. Delete the installation file, confirm the delete. Now we can back out of here. Moving further down, the latest option, the latest application to download for sports. Down on the bottom right, click install. App gets installed, highlight done and click on it. Because of course we need to. So there's some 5 great applications for you for movies, TV shows, live TV, sports, all on your Amazon Fire TV Stick, all for free. Now let's find these great applications. So back on the home screen, we go all the way over to the 3 squares plus sign. And here, the last apps that we downloaded end up right at the bottom. So we can put them to our shortcuts home screen here. So of course, downloader. Let's move it to the front. So what I did there was just used our 3-line button on my remote. Push it, and then we have move to the front, or uninstall. So we push move, and we make cinema second. Then we go on, we do the move again. Then we do like sports, 3-line button, move. And then live net, move. And of course, stream. Move, and we put that maybe there. So when we go to our home screen, this shortcuts menu will be right here for you, so we don't have to worry about any of the other. So we don't have to worry about those other applications anymore. Check out this video if you're looking for sports. Check out this video if you're looking for movies. Guys, I make it super easy for you. Push the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, put a comment down below for your favorite application available on the Fire TV Stick. Take care, enjoy, peace. Happy streaming.